Good morning everyone, David here. I'm doing another car repair video. This one is on my 2006 Volvo V70, and the part I'm going to change today is a torque mount. It's a wear item. They always wear out at some time, and there are some symptoms that you'll notice. So when you sit inside the car and you're at a stop sign and you go to pull away and accelerate, you will notice something shifting and moving, or maybe even banging. And it's because you're going to see, when I start the car up, the movement in here. And when it gets really bad, this can also affect your, give you a steering pull or a brake pull, because when this engine rocks a lot, you have to remember that the half shaft is connected to it. And so when the engine moves, the half shaft's going to move, so everything moves. So I'm going to start it up, and don't forget that if you like this video and find it helpful, subscribe, because I will have more coming out. So pay attention to the movement, please.